Hello guys and welcome to Pepperoni Pizza, and today we'll be doing a Forex simulation on EJ, Euro, J, Euro JPY. Awesome. So yeah, same thing as last time, basic zone to zone trading, support and resistance, and as well as Fibonacci. Okay, let's get started. Last time our entries weren't so great, but this time around we're going to try and dial it down a bit more to see if we can get a more accurate entry. But like I said, it really doesn't matter. That's not important. What is important is your risk management. That's what is going to keep you in the Forex industry, for yeah, as long as you want to be in. Okay, right away I can see there's a resistance zone here at on the monthly. So I'm just going to copy that. And then that's when I know now that that is a valid top. That's when I can draw my Fibonacci. I'll copy that as well. Okay. Let's dial it into the weekly, see what's going on. Right, it seems as if price is at a resistance over here. So I'm going to jump in and take some sells. And we'll take it down to the next zone, which is about 260 pips, which is not bad at all. All right. Oop. Sometimes you have to click it more than once. And this is how I practice my trading, I find it keeps me confident. It helps me just understand price action a bit better. So yeah, my advice to you would be um, get the Forex simulator. It's about $50, but I know there are some people who have bought it and you get as you can see there's 10 activations that you can use. I've already used 5, so there's 5 left open. So what you can do is you just go on the website and then you download the software and you set it up. And then once they ask you for the password, you just go and find somebody who has already bought it and they haven't used all their activations, and then yeah, presto. Okay, back to EJ. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to take some cells here. Let me draw this resistance, copy it to the other time frames. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. I'm not risking too much, just showing you guys how, I make my trades. Okay. But I just hope you guys can understand the reason behind my my trade. Try to make it as simple as possible, not say too much. As you could see here, this was a very strong resistance here. So I just decided to, take the sell from there, and I'll just take it down to the next zone. But like I said before, weekly and monthly are the strongest time frames. So if ever you see a zone there, just trust that it probably means there's going to be a trend reversal in the market, so that when you shift down into the lower time frames, you'll actually be able to see a really big move. Okay, and we are almost done here, I think. Or did I miss my take profits? Okay, I think I might have missed my take profit, but I'm just gonna hold it still because right over here is where I wanted to take profits. So I'm thinking of just holding on. And what's nice about Forex is the more you practice, you'll get to understand and see that all the candlesticks, it has to connect, um, in order for it to be a valid move, you know. Yeah, maybe the way I'm explaining it doesn't make sense, but with practice, you'll get to understand what I'm saying and how Forex trading actually works. But yeah, right now there you can see price consolidated over there, but it was a bearish consolidation. So bearish consolidation equals bearish moves, a bearish breakout. Yeah. Okay, let me just highlight these two. So there you go. You can see it. So that you would call that a descending triangle, and that move is just going to take you down. So if ever you see that it's um, a bullish consolidation, then that means the move. It means it's going to go up. The price is going to shoot all the way up. So let's just see what happens here. Okay, there we go. It broke out. Just waiting for it to. Okay, retested. So, okay, this is a bit fast. Let me slow it down. And I actually already want to take profit. And can you see that it's only been 15 days and we've already made 19% off of risking about 5-6%, which is perfect, guys. This is what you know you're looking for when you're trading. You don't want to risk so much. You want to risk as little as possible and just gain as much as you can, and it's stable profits. That's why I prefer using the higher time frames. Okay, let me just shut this down. Sorry, I'm not good at multitasking, so okay. And then I'm just gonna leave two open because I think this next week will be the last week. So always just secure your profits at least 15% a month. Even when you get to the end of a trading year, you'll get to see, okay, at least I could manage to make 10 to 15% profit every month. And yeah, you'll be very happy about that. So as you can see there, that there's where I wanted to take profit, and I did. So now price, every time it hits a zone, it does reverse, and either it will consolidate or it ends up just reversing completely and going the other way. That's why it's also important to just keep watching where are you on the markets on all time frames. Like this right now, this looks like price just came back to retest this zone, and it could possibly continue going up. But that doesn't matter. That's probably next month's move. So, oh, and there we go. You can see straight away because it closed above this zone over here. Delete, delete. All right, so I'm actually just gonna close all these positions over here. And yeah, there we go. Okay, it's Friday. Let's see if we can jump into Monday and find another trade. Yeah, usually if you're this close to month end and as well as a week, I'd prefer to stay out of the markets. There are some small pip moves that you could possibly catch, but it's not worth it. It's definitely not worth it at all. Okay, let me pause here and clear this up. Okay, so like I said, we took profit over here, and this looks like a very respectable support zone. So let's just mess around with this small range over here. Let's see what we can do with it. Right away, I could see that this is gonna go straight up, but due to the fact that it's month end, price does start slowing down, consolidating, and making false moves, in order just to trick people and, you know, take their money. So yeah, so yeah, yeah, like we're in a new week here, and you could see the zone that I drew over here, prices above it, and there was a nice retest. So I'm thinking of taking just one buy, two or two, whatever, it doesn't matter, just to show you guys, how it works. I just hope. Yeah, just put about 3 inches there. You can see our price are not really doing much, just went down. Oh, wait, no. Okay, yeah. Like I was saying, price does do that. It will mess around and consolidate and, you know, make false moves. But at this point in time, it doesn't even matter. We're already on Wednesday. Probably Friday we'll be through. Okay, yeah. So there we go. And my battery is dead. Perfect timing. So there you can see price is just consolidating, but you could see it's consolidating in a way that it wants to push up because it's respecting the buy zone that we've drawn here, you see. So that will just take us into next month, and then next month, that's when um, price will probably take off. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna close these positions here. We'll just see what happens. Okay, and that's that. But yeah, definitely this is definitely just going to shoot all the way up to that zone over there. And that would be how many pips? Nice 120 pip move. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe.